Okay, another thing is really, I find very useful is, let's say I want to I have a file here and I want to share this and put this picture on my Dropbox. So I can copy a file to Dropbox and then put it in I'll just say new folder and can say pics. So that's very, very handy. I can put content to my Dropbox, or I can go take content from and you can see the pics directory here that I created. I also can go take a file and load it from my Dropbox and view them, as well as send those files to my my own local iPad storage or to my NextDrive. So I can just copy that to my NextDrive. So it's very simple to move content from any cloud to your NextDrive and from your NextDrive to the cloud. You also can move content from your local iPad file system in NextDrive to the cloud and back from the cloud, as well as store it to your local iPad or Android device. So it's very, very handy for users to do what they want to do quickly, all within the NextDrive. You know, one other thing about the NextDrive and the NextDrive app is you're able to add protection for each file. What I mean by that is you're able to add a password for each file. So if I go into the edit mode in my browser here and I select a file, you can see at the bottom here you can select to rename, mail, but there's this one called lock. So I click the lock one and I can put in a password. So I can say, let's say FOO for the name. And now that file is actually, heavily encrypted and locked, and you can see that the file is locked. You can't view it unless you have the password, and that's really nice. The other thing is, if you take the NextDrive and you take it out of Wi-Fi mode and plug it into a PC and use it as a USB stick, the file is locked, and that is very nice to protect your files.